Yeah.
Like a pro.
Yeah, you're doing good.
You said you were recording me.
I am recording you. That's you are a pro, Luna.
Yes. Yeah, I'm not being pro.
Is Mama in the room?
Dad, that's because Daddy.
You're recording. What?
Let's record you.
Okay, let's see. Good job, Luna.
Do I look like a barber?
Yes. Here, let me record you. There you go. Oh!
It's a light blue. Hey!
Of course, right where the only bit of sand is on the dock. Oh, let me see.
It's in a dark spot.
Is it just math?
Right there. It's pretty big.
Pretty big. That's
Right
the
in there.
hugest
It's
one
like the
ever.
biggest leech I've ever seen.
Mom, why
I
won't
bet.
you jump in?
Gosh.
I don't know.
They are cool when they're giant.
Where is it?
Not like scary. Where is it? It's giant.
A horseshoe fly bit me like bad, like 3 times. It's weird when they like obsess over just you for a little bit like that. And he's a big dude. Like he's not like a little one. Sucker. He actually got me good. I just don't want my shit like all up in the way. Come and join us. Get this shit out of their way. Oh, okay.
There's back in loading up.
Oh, there you go.